Can you open up?
Oh, Mom,
It's yummy. Can you eat some?
Big smile. We'll stick some in.
Julia. Hi.
Yucky.
Hi.
Yucky trash. Yucky trash.
How's that?
1, 2, 2 spoons.
Why are you whining?
So yucky.
Then don't eat it. Eat some cheese crackers.
I don't want cheese crackers.
What do you want?
What do you think, Franken baby? Hi.
Right.
Not very successful.
This isn't whose door. That's what I decided to call it. Their problems.
That's really annoying.
It's too yucky.
Well, you're not eating it, so. Are you just vocalizing for Iris?
I don't know what I know.
You want to go to timeout?
Why do you want to go to timeout?
Sean's out of that chair.
You all done?
Yeah. I know. Taste it.
Can you smile for the camera and say hello?
Yeah.
Hi.
It was from picture.
I'm taking a video. Hey, look. Hi. Can you see me? Can you see Daddy?
Oh. You know how to spit out.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daphne.
I can't get a picture.
Yeah. I'm glad we're recording this noise so in a couple years we can play it for you and show you how annoying you are. Because you're a pill. No, your hands are dirty.
Play that noise really loud when you're 13 and want to sleep in.
What's wrong with your hands? Are they dirty? Oh, look, there's a big bite. Oh, keep it in.
This food stuff isn't that great.
So bye-bye.
Bye.